Yummy, yummy! Ayan. Gawa tayo ng barbecue. Ayan. Sarap! Ayan na ang ating oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yes. Ayan guys, ang sarap ng ating maruya. Ayan oh. What, honey? Ayan. Hi guys, today is April 18, 2024. Snack time. Ayan, snack time. Ating saging. Yum.